Today let's make simple and easy tomato rasam. This rasam is made without any kind of dal. So let's start making it. In a pot you need to add in water. Once you add the water, add in cleaned and washed tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have cooked or boiled, you need to peel out the skin of this and make it into a coarse puree like this. The reason why you make the puree is people tend to keep the tomatoes aside. So if you make the puree, you tend to eat completely without any wastage. Now let's make simple and easy tadka. I've added in oil and then I've added in mustard seeds, cumin seeds, methi seeds, and when they've started spluttering, I've added in garlic, green chilies and curry leaves. If you like it spicy, you can increase the green chilies. Once the garlic turns slightly brown, add in the tomato puree and add in water. Because this is rasam, it needs to be in a thin watery consistency. Give it a good mix. Now let's add salt for taste and turmeric powder and give it a good stir. When you see a first boil coming up, then add in another some tamarind pulp or tamarind water, rasam powder and jaggery. Give it a good stir. Now the secret of a very good rasam or the rasam tasting good is it needs to boil really very well. Once it starts boiling, you can check for the salt and finally serve it hot with some rice and papad or pickle or any kind of your side dish. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy your rasam and please do comment below.